나 진 족발만 참아가지고 들래 아니 됐다 가지고 question number 3 부터 쳐주라. So question number 4, 5, 6, 7 33 number 4 kaldu the diagonal of a quadrilateral shape the diagonal kajurelana ra 24 meter the diagonal because the 24 meter and the perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are ani base diagonal di into the opposite vertices opposite point delachik do tine ma khaptu line thing perpendicular na 90 degree ni degree se khacher lana 13 meter and 8 meter is. Now find the area of the field the area chere the khari shape do quadrilateral shape do. So general quadrilateral mix se came out do. So general quadrilateral in the honchi area chere formula gela khazi new order chisa the chidani thanda di khare lana diagonal re and di khachure diagonal ni ma khaptu 90 degree khaptu thena di la khale re di khachu so diagonal di khare height re di akhare height. So chigla h1 te chigla h2 te to go height 1 the height 2. So general quadrilateral gi ngoju khasi area the gi formula khatte ende diagonal into h1 plus h2. So on the khaptu jere the kharedu area of quadrilateral equal to diagonal into h1 plus h2 this is and diagonal khajura 24 meter bracket h1 khajura 13 plus h2 khajura 8 right. So 24 bracket में असुना into share any choksum gala ge domna chopke chu nishu chaji 21. So 24 into 21 khajura any meter square area se gora so meter square khajuli re answer this next number 5 the diagonal of a rhombus are rhombus shape diye diagonal khazirelana diagonal 7.5 centimeter chik and chik khazirdu 12 centimeter. Find its area diagonal gi area chere and diagonal gi area che konda the rhombus gi area chela do. So rhombus gi area che gi formula ni se kharire area of rhombus equal to half timda gela idela half d1 into d2 the law dela half dwarf gela half timba jeser 1/2 half d1 into d2 law half d1 into d2. So area of rhombus d1 khazire 7.5 centimeter d1 d2 kya hai mar khade shana d re chi khazire 12 centimeter diagonal chi 7.5 chi khazire 12 centimeter. So therefore an area of rhombus equal to khare half d1 into d2 right. So 1/2 into d1 khazire 7.5 centimeter into d2 khazire 12 centimeter. So ganda wa divide lana divide or 2 1 2 to 6 12 right. So thama del khazala 7.5 into 6 and centimeter square centimeter near so into tang khazale so centimeter square dikhare area of rhombus. Number 6 find the area of rhombus area of rhombus here the whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 altitude nana khare height re let's the diagonal the rhombus shape do stitches or rhombus shape digi khare la so height lana tinma khaptu side khazare la so 5 centimeter altitude lana height khazare 4.8 centimeter. One of its diagonal is 8 centimeter diagonal chi 8 centimeter in and diagonal shimba dikhazare la this here question mark this है तो this है से तो आजो थंगुने ला di ha ko ra khare area से ला thang diagonal से ला half into d1 into d2 half ni d1 8 से d2 से हो रहा है ने this है से तो आजो area ha ko ra थंगुने ला area खाते में and the area khase me ha mago adosna d2 se thoya kore mare so area se shi dong azu kante ni te do khari che sha height te do so this shape the rhombus ki shape the khari chi kore sha area of parallelogram chi kore do mar do parallelogram ya chi kor do di remove the parallelogram ra le Thus, the area of rhombus chora thangmanyala area of rhombus equal to base into height. So base khazure 5 centimeter right into height khazure height to the 4.8 centimeters. So area khazure 4.8 into 5 is the 40.54 the 24 centimeter square area rasa. So this element can be shini the detail diagonal shamba detail. This is 24 less. So area of rhombus equal to area of rhombus equal to khajaleso area of rhombus khajaleso 24 centimeter square. Area of rhombus की formula है half d1 into d2 24 centimeter square. Right. So the wall two wall the door and two pa gang la tang orishna यानो दिमाग में जी रहता half into d1 खजरे 8 into d2 equal to 24. Right. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Right. 4 into d2 equal to 24. Lesa. तो दिनेश ना तो खरे कोरे हैं तो ला d2 चिकु थे और diagonal चिकु थे वही दिखाना है 4 दिखाता हूँ therefore d2 equal to 24 4 into रफा तो ना खजरे 4 divide by अनि d2 खजरे तो divide down centimeter diagonal से कोरा centimeter चिकु तो स्टेज number 7 तेरे मुझे दी जो जमात डालो question number 8 की दे. The floor of a building consists of 3,000 tiles. Building की शाला जरा शाला दिला खज़े tiles सुंदर है which are rhombus shaped. संग rhombus shaped. Each of its diagonal are rhombus shaped. Diagonal खज़े है चिक 45 centimeter चिक खज़े है 30 centimeter. Now find the total cost of polishing the floor. Floor दिखाता हूँ polish ताऊ original. अनि खुमो खज़े जोड़े कि meter square चिक ला खुमो शीरेलर. अनि खजर जुड़ा that means being also thangpunyala area से हो रहा है दिगांगसां की area खजर में से हो रहा है so therefore thangpunyala area of one tiles चिकी thangpunyala नहीं area से हो tiles चिकी area से ला tiles चिकी shape कर ला so rhombus चला so half into d1 into d2 right so half into d1 खजर है 45 into d2 खजर है 30 So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 2 5s are 10, 15 just as so how do 45 into 15. The thanda the hazard do thangi centimeter with so centimeter. Centimeter galti. So hazard do 45 into 15 she. The kharere talchigi did the area this So 45 into 15. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 22, 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4. Then 5, 7 to 275 lead. So hazard do 275 centimeter square. Talchigi digams this talchigi ani area demonstrate this so on the tiles khazere tiles sumboira therefore area of 3000 tiles and tiles sumboina ani khazere so tiles chikla khazere niga din donga da tiles sumbona na niga din donga into 3000 centimeter square this so yeah, let me come and see together. 45 into 15 shira like how much you call yeah 45 into 15 share is the 25 share 5 4 the 20 21 22 share 1 5 the 5 1 4 the 4 5 2 3 shinga 2 6 7 5 shira so then get a change to actually the correct is 675 centimeter square so any become la hazard sumbon la hazard lana 675 into 3 5 3s are 15 check 10 3s are 21 22 18 check 19 675 la 3 into tang la any Intela zero sum da chik ni sum centimeter square. Ta ngazu khal la sha meter square chikla kum shire la so ngazu sanza centimeter square na do ani meter square na ma sere meter square na ma so ro shina do ngazu ha ko re sandara centimeter square chikla khajare 1/100 kuni no 1 centimeter square equal to 1 centimeter square equal to khajure 1/100 meter square. Centimeter di chungara meter chera so 1/100 shempa into tangura. Ani tanda ngazu khajure konda ngeregi square tishida. Okay. 1 centimeter equal to khajure 1/100 meter re. Ta ngazu tanda khajure square ganda so 100 centimeter square equal to double chere. Tela lego ni na lego shi meter square. Ta tanda ngazu centimeter khajdu 20 centimeter square na meter square la convert shina khachore 202500 upon she meter square becomes che. Ta kanto meter square na ma convert chorda chik ni sum ni khardu te dela khajala so 0 chik la na point dela le so ani 202.5 meter square. So khajur do 202.5 meter square ka anta thama dela khangi liye khandi thire dela liye khandi thire. Therefore cost of 1 meter square equal to therefore cost of 1 meter square equal to rupees 4. Cost of 202.5 meter square equal to 202.5 into 4 this much rupees digam do re polish kela. तो दिखान तो ना किस चीज़ दरा नमसा गो सूरे ले लो रे इंचे काले खापु के मारे लो अनि गो मसो रो ना गेला दिनांग लो लानी मैसेज तांग शो दिनांग गो मसो रो ना लो